Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to WooCommerce plugins for AI marketing automation, full guide step by step clearly. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press enter. Once on the WooCommerce page, click on the plugins section. Scroll through the available plugins to find those specifically tailored for AI marketing automation. Select a plugin that meets your needs by clicking on its title for more details. Review the plugin features, ratings, and user feedback to ensure it aligns with your marketing goals. Once you've made a decision, click on the Add to Cart button. Proceed to your cart by clicking on the cart icon located at the top right corner. Review your selected plugins in the cart. If everything looks good, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Fill in your billing information and account details as prompted. After completing your details, select your preferred payment method. Confirm your purchase by clicking the Place Order button. Once your order is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email with your purchase details. To install the purchased plugin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Plugins section and select Add New. Then, click on the Upload Plugin button. Choose the plugin file you downloaded earlier and click Install Now. After installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Configure the plugin settings according to your marketing automation strategy. Follow any additional setup prompts to integrate the plugin with your WooCommerce store. Familiarize yourself with the features of the plugin through its documentation or tutorial resources. Start utilizing the AI marketing automation features to enhance your WooCommerce experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.